This module on Versa Headend components will provide an overview of the components of the Versa SD-WAN solution and their functions. At the end of this module, you'll be able to list the headend components of Versa SD-WAN, explain the functions of Versa Director, explain the role of Versa Analytics, and explain the role of Versa Controller. The Versa Networks SD-WAN solution consists of three main components: Versa Operating System, or VOS, which is the software of Versa Controller and CPE devices, Versa Director, and Versa Analytics. These three components provide a complete and intuitive architecture for SD-WAN implementation. We will look at each component in more detail. VOS software is the heart of the Versa Networks SD-WAN implementation. It is the base software platform on Versa Controller and Versa CPE devices and provides a full suite of SD-WAN, routing, security, and traffic monitoring functions, including SLA monitoring and multi-tenant support. VOS is a software component that offers fully virtualized Layer 2 to Layer 7 functions with service chaining capabilities. The same software is used for all of the SD-WAN functions in the environment. Software packages for VOS are available as QCOW2, OVA, and ISO images. Because VOS leverages CPU and network cards that support specific feature sets, only Intel-based CPUs and network cards that support the Intel Data Plane Developer Kit, or DPDK, are supported. Versa breaks the SD-WAN control functions into two components, the Versa Director and the Versa Controller. Versa Director is the virtualization and service creation platform of Versa Networks that simplifies the creation, automation, and delivery of services using Versa WAN Edge software, or VOS. Versa Director provides the essential management, monitoring, and orchestration capabilities required to deliver Versa's secure cloud IP architecture, network, and security software services. Versa Director provides single pane of glass management for connectivity and services. It scales to thousands of end customers or organizations through hierarchical multi-tenancy and role-based administration capabilities. Combined with Versa's VOS WAN Edge software, Versa Director provides complete VNF infrastructure lifecycle management for bare metal and virtual machine environments, from deployment and configuration to ongoing monitoring and change management of Versa and third-party VNF-based services with automatic actions such as auto-healing and auto-scaling. Versa Director is used for configuration templates, device registration, live statistics monitoring, and control of the SD-WAN. Policies and templates created on Versa Director are pushed to Versa Controller and CPE devices for implementation. Versa Director provides a rich set of interfaces for effective integration with third-party products and services. Versa Director supports service definitions, which include Versa and third-party service components. This enables flexible service chain creation and deployment. In addition, utilizing open and widely available protocol and API formats allows for tight integration with operations and business systems. The result is rapid delivery and simplified ongoing management of Versa-based services, from basic connectivity to advanced SD-WAN and branch security. Versa Controller is the central control point of the SD-WAN, and it runs the same VOS software as the Versa CPE devices. Versa Controller receives instructions from Versa Director and performs the tasks required to implement the system. Customer edge devices establish management and control channels to the Versa Controller to perform onboarding operations and to manage connectivity to remote sites. Versa Controller acts as a secure gateway between SD-WAN edge devices and the other headend components of Versa Director and Versa Analytics. Versa Controller is responsible for distributing site reachability information in the SD-WAN environment. It serves as a centralized route reflector to distribute routing and forwarding information to all Versa CPE devices. It also manages multi-tenant route separation and forwarding. Versa Controller can be deployed on bare metal servers, as a virtual machine, and in a cloud environment. All of the functions of Versa Controller are managed through Versa Director, since there is no web UI for Versa Controller. Versa has chosen to use MPBGP and standard Layer 3 VPN for their control plane. Overlay networks commonly use MPBGP as a control plane. MPBGP is an extension to the original BGP routing protocol that is used throughout the world to interconnect corporations and service providers over the public internet, and also within corporations and data centers to manage large amounts of routing information. The MPBGP extensions to BGP allow the addition of new route properties that can be associated with prefixes. BGP speakers or devices that establish BGP sessions with each other negotiate which properties are supported when they build their sessions. This ensures that MPBGP speakers are compatible and that the devices are capable of exchanging the same types of routing information. The information that is most critical is the network layer reachability information, or NLRI, which refers to the format and properties of exchanged routes. NLRI is composed of an address family indicator and a subsequent address family indicator. An example is the MPLS-labeled IPVPN route, which allows a route to be extended with an 8-byte route distinguisher added to the IPv4 prefix. The AFI and SAFI value of MPLS-labeled IPVPN routes is 1/128. If a router supports this AFI or SAFI combination, it supports IPv4 prefixes with a route distinguisher added, and other Layer 3 VPN properties associated with the routes. Versa Analytics is a full-featured log collection and analysis platform. It provides a user-friendly and robust interface to view log files, track events and performance, and to forward log-related information to third-party log management systems. It is purpose-built for Versa Secure SD-WAN for use-case-focused analytics covering SD routing, SD-WAN, SD security, and SD branch. Versa Analytics is a rich, near real-time big data solution that provides visibility and control, baselining, correlation, prediction, and a feedback loop into Versa software solutions. It provides near real-time and historical search and reports on usage patterns, trends, security events, and alerts. Versa Analytics analyzes large amounts of data sent from VOS devices for analysis and reports. It is tightly integrated with VOS for optimized storage, search, and performance. Versa Analytics has built-in multi-tenancy that enables a single cluster to provide service for hundreds of customers, enabling deployment flexibility and economy of scale. It tightly integrates with Versa Director for complete role-based access control. It is operations-ready and supports standard protocols and log formats such as syslog and IPFix, making it compatible with existing SIEM, monitoring, and reporting systems. Versa Analytics is extensible and flexible via REST APIs. The comprehensive and native capabilities of Versa Analytics reduce costs and simplify deployments and data analysis by decreasing the dependency on various third-party data analytics platforms. For multi-vendor environments, Versa Analytics interoperates with well-known performance management applications and third-party services. The result is carrier-grade, multi-tenant big data analysis and visibility for realizing the full value proposition of Versa software-defined solutions. Versa Analytics offers extensive UI visualization capabilities with dashboards and a reporting framework for ad hoc and scheduled reports. It offers various data customization views such as charts, maps, and grids, and provides full drill-down support to enable detailed breakdown and analysis of data. Versa Analytics is composed of multiple internal components. A log collector component gathers logging streams sent by VOS devices in the SD-WAN, and these logs are stored in a database, where they are accessed by analytics and search engines to provide output to the users. These logs are accessible directly through a dedicated web user interface or through the Versa Director user interface. The log collector supports the export of logging information to third-party collectors. Because of the intense nature of log collecting and management, it is recommended that Versa Analytics be deployed in a cluster. One or more members of the cluster can be configured to receive logs, and a cluster member can be configured as a search node, which provides search and correlation functions to the administrator. Currently supported third-party logging includes standard syslog, Splunk, ArcSight or CEF, and CSV format. The logging functions in an SD-WAN environment can be very CPU and storage intensive. Although an analytics deployment can be provisioned on a single node, an analytics cluster is highly recommended, where multiple nodes can collect logs and a single dedicated node serves as the search node. The search node parses log information gathered by the collectors and displays it to the end user through the web UI or through the web UI on Versa Director. The image illustrates a complete deployment scenario of the Versa Networks SD-WAN solution. Included in the deployment are the head-end components of Versa Director, Versa Analytics, and Versa Controller. The entire solution is implemented with 3 software packages: Versa Director, Versa Analytics, and Versa VOS or Versa Operating System. The VOS software package is common among all CPE devices and Versa Controller. Versa Director configures and deploys the controller and VOS CPE devices. This robust, simple, and secure SD-WAN implementation provides integrated multi-tenant support, next-generation firewall functions, logging and analysis, automated deployment, SLA monitoring and enforcement, and application-aware traffic steering capabilities. You have reached the end of this module. In this module, you learned the Versa Networks SD-WAN solution consists of 3 main components: Versa VOS, Versa Director, and Versa Analytics. Versa VOS software is the base operating system of the Versa Controller and Versa CPE devices. Versa Director is the virtualization and service creation platform of Versa Networks that simplifies the creation, automation, and delivery of services using Versa WAN Edge software, or VOS. Versa Controller is the central control point of the SD-WAN and runs the same VOS software as Versa CPE devices. It receives instructions from Versa Director and performs the tasks required to implement the system. Versa Analytics is a full-featured log collection and analysis platform which is purpose-built for the Versa Secure Cloud IP platform.